You have just seen the film on the development of the MRO. As you are aware, the aviation sector in India has grown in leaps and bounds in recent years, which is further expected to be third biggest in the world by 2020. Flying is no longer confined to the rich. Airports are now a key contributor to the economic prosperity and employment generation in our country. From bigger to better has been an exciting journey in the last decade. Our airport at Delhi and Hyderabad have won appreciation and international awards for both construction quality and service standards. Both our airports are now rated among the top 3 worldwide in their respective categories for airport service quality. In this phase of rapid all-round development of the Indian aviation sector, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport came up here in the state of Andhra Pradesh. To leverage abundant high-quality talent, there was an opportunity to develop infrastructure in Hyderabad. 3 years back, we developed a roadmap to augment the aviation infrastructure through the development of an aerospace park of global standards. So, an exciting journey started. We facilitated setting up of the state-of-the-art maintenance training center in this aerospace park for CFM International, world's leading aircraft engine manufacturer. It is already functional since March 2010. Since we felt that there was a scope to develop anchor facilities like maintenance, repair and overall MRO, GMR Hyderabad International Airport Limited embarked upon this challenging journey and formed a joint venture with the MAS GMR Aerotechnic. In a record time of 18 months, this integrated world-class MRO facility, which has all the required infrastructure, equipment, skilled and certified manpower, have been put into operation. It complies with the regulatory requirement of DGCA and European Aviation Safety Agency. Sir, recently European Aviation Safety Agency visited here